Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and today I'm going to start the Panner's Bingo project pan. This is a super fun project pan created by Sienna Gray. She is known as Sienna's Closet here on YouTube. I will link her a video down below. But she came up with this concept where there are 5 bingo cards. I will try and link all the information, like I said, down below. And you pick one, and then each month she'll call out certain numbers so you can see if they match on your bingo card, and then she has the categories for those items. So she has already called out the first intros video, so I will again have her channel down below. So I have my card that I picked and then my products that I'll be working on during this month, and she will be calling out new numbers and stuff each month, and then your goal is to get 5 in a row from your card. So I just thought this would be really fun to switch up and do kind of like a rolling project pan and have different products in there. Just thought this was a really neat idea. So if you're interested, it is down below, all the information. Definitely feel free to join. But I have on my phone here only 4 numbers that she called out matched up with my card. So the first thing was B8, and B8 was your favorite beverage. So my favorite beverage right now, especially since I am currently 32 weeks pregnant, is sparkling ice drinks. They are my favorite. My favorite of those are like the strawberry lemonade and the fruit punch, kind of like the pinky kind of colors. So for that one, if you have not been following me here on my channel, I am doing a Pan That palette on the Charlotte Tilbury Instant Eye palette in Pillow Talk. So one shade I use all over the lid is this shade right here in Day. So it's kind of like a sparkly kind of pinky red. It's not this hot pinky kind of color, but it's kind of similar. I definitely wear this pretty much every day. It's on my eyes now. Give you guys kind of a swatch real quick of it. That is what it looks like. So my goal for this, you can have different kind of goals for this project pan, but my goal is to definitely try and use it up because I am trying to finish all of the eyeshadows in this palette, which is not going to happen. But I received this in November of last year, so 4 years worth of use. I'm really happy with where I'm at on this, but definitely would like to finish that very soon. So I have that in here as the first number, B8, for my favorite beverage. The next number was N38, which is a mini and not a sample on my card. So what I have here is the Tarte Knockout. This is a daily exfoliating cleanser with AHA, BHA. Now this isn't something they highly recommend for pregnant people, but I haven't noticed any crazy difference, and I only use it a little bit at a time. So I'm going to continue using this, and I'm currently right about down here. So not too much left to go. It is a sample that was not a sample. I definitely purchased it as a mini versus received it as a sample. So I have been enjoying it. Very nice cleansing on the face. I haven't noticed the acid or anything doing anything crazy to my face, but I am going to throw this into this project pan and hopefully finish that up as well. The next thing on my card I wanted to get was the Free Space, and the Free Space is a mini or sample. So I pulled out from all of my samples. This is from Pure Mix RUSK, and this is the Native Fig Replenishing Shampoo and Conditioner. So this is a cruelty-free kind of shampoo conditioner. I don't believe I've tried much from this brand, but I am excited to try this. There's a lot of skincare samples that I had, but I wanted to try this since I already had skincare and stuff in this project already. So we will give that a go, and I'll let you guys know how that is. Next thing is G53, which is your least favorite color. For me, just thinking of the rainbow color spectrum, that kind of stuff, my least favorite color is brown. Even though I have brown hair and stuff like that, I do kind of get it dyed, but I don't have a lot of brown articles of clothing. It's just not something I like to color with. So I have in here my Essence. This is the Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. And what I love most about this is it is what I use on my eyebrows on an everyday basis. Really easy. It has a little spoolie guy right here that I just brush into my brows, and it gives a nice coating for them as well as kind of keeps them maintained together. So I love this stuff. I don't know how much I have left in here. I feel like I've been like using this for a couple months now. It says good every 6 months, so hopefully I can remember to do my brows a little bit more during this time. And what I love most about this is it is what I use on my eyebrows on an everyday basis. Really easy. It has a little spoolie guy right here that I just brush into my brows, and it gives a nice coating for them as well as kind of keeps them maintained together. So I love this stuff. I don't know how much I have left in here. I feel like I've been like using this for a couple months now. It says good every 6 months, so hopefully I can remember to do my brows a little bit more during this time period. Then the last number for me on my card is 068, which is skincare. So I have in here the Ole Henriksen. This is the Shear Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer. And I have been so bad at using this moisturizer. During the summertime, we are getting into fall, winter time, so I want to start kind of making it part of my routine, using it more often. Love this stuff, really soft and moisturizing on the skin without being heavy. I really like how lightweight it is. No kind of real fragrance or anything like that either, but definitely a lot of product in this baby. So hopefully I can use this up. But that is the intro for this palette bingo project pan. I'm really excited to continue to play along, see what products I can try and focus on. I'm not really doing any other kind of project pans right now besides the Pan That palette. I am expecting baby number 2 in October. So if you like to follow me along, see my mommy journey, Amazon favorites, and project pan beauty items, then be sure to subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it.